Hi, I'm Shelby Watts, and today I'm going to show you how to put your Redline Flight Cranks and your BB86 bottom bracket in your Redline frame. I know you're on the internet right now. Go to dansconf.com and get your stuff. First of all, you're going to need some tools. Some of the tools you will need is a cut press, Allen wrenches, and some grease. First thing you want to do is you take one cup and you put some grease around the edge. Then you place it in your bottom bracket of your frame. Then you take one cup press and you press one cup at a time. That is the secret to making your bottom bracket perfect every time. This is what it looks like before, what it should look like before you start to tighten. Then you push one end up and one end down, and that is how you push them to in. Oop. See? This is how it will look. And to complete the other side, you just repeat the same steps you just did. As you can see, I have now completed all the steps to putting it in. And now we're going to put the crank arms in. And now you will put grease on your crank arms, the metallic parts, and on your threads. So right here, here, and right there. We have now greased up the crank spindle and have put it into the bottom bracket. Now you take the washers from the bottom bracket set and you place them right here. Then you brace your other crank arm. Oop. Might want to hold the other crank arm in place. Now they are aligned, and you push it in. Down. Ta-da! And then you slip it in. Now you place the cap in with your fingers and turn it once or twice. As a result, this may make it easier to tighten it with the Allen wrench. One tip, don't tighten this to its full max. Just tighten it till it's good. Then you tighten the pinch bolts. Now that's done. Now you flip it over and get your other pinch bolt right here. Now you go back to your other Allen wrench that you had to tighten this originally and tighten it the rest of the way. I can even get it to budge. Now you roll them. And then after you roll them, You got yourself a great pair of cranks and a great bottom bracket to get you started.
Hello.
Are you recording?
Alright.
I'm a smurf. Are
Okay.
you recording me again?
Yes. I think that's gonna be.
Hi, I am Shelby Watson. I'm going to show you how to put your bottom bracket in your new Redline frame. Once I raised for hostile Redline. Oh. Hi, I am Shelby Watts, and I'm going to show you how to put your Redline cranks together with your BB-8. Hi, I'm Shelby Watts, and I race for a hostile BMX team. One of our sponsors is Redline, and today we're going to show you how to put Redline Flight Cranks and your new BB-8 80s. Hi, I'm Shelby Watts, and I race for a hostile BMX team. One of our sponsors, Redline, I'm the tool.
3.
Hi, the first thing you do is you put your